Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4 turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 10-spoke wheels with black matte accents. Black MB Tex interior, the spiral lip trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. GLB 250, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, brand new set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for the different driving patterns. This GLB has 6,085 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.